Hi guys, welcome to our first week of SERV12 online. I know you weren't expecting an online course, but I have been teaching online for a long time and I think that you're really going to enjoy this format. However, I had prepared a face-to-face course, so if you logged into our course anytime prior to about 4 or 5 days ago, things have drastically changed. So let me walk you through our course layout and expectations, and hopefully this will be a smooth transition into the online virtual classroom. So here is our homepage. Notice that we were supposed to start last week, but the school gave us an extra week of spring break. Yay! So classes start today. You're going to start all the time by clicking on modules. So again, you're in the classroom, you'll see announcements from me, but modules is probably the most important thing for you to do because that is like an outline of the whole class. I have course resources up at the top, but then you'll see every single week is outlined. So this is the best place for you to go. In week 1, the first page, just like all the weeks, you'll see a checklist. That page there tells you everything that we're reading and everything that we're doing. And then you'll see the assignments. So week 1 work, we'll start there. Okay, so I've got you reading chapters 1 through 3 and chapter 9 of Teach Yourself How to Learn. I know that sounds like a lot of reading, but the chapters in our book are 3 or 4 or 5 pages each. They're very short and they're very engaging. So weeks 1 through 3 just kind of get you ready to focus on an online class or any type of class. And chapter 9 is all about time management, which is really important to start off our course together. I'd also like you to view this How to Stay Organized page. It's a link there online. And then you've got your homework assignments. So if we were to meet in person twice a week, most of our time together would be a discussion. I would sit with you, we would talk about different concepts, and again, I would see you twice a week. So I need to see you twice a week in the online classroom. I'd like you to make your initial posts every week by at least Thursday. You could post on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, but you have to post on one of those days at least. And then you need to follow up with at least 2 of your classmates on another day each week. So maybe you post on Monday and maybe you post on Friday, or maybe you post on Tuesday and you post on Wednesday. As long as you're posting on 2 different days, that's what I'm looking for. And again, that first one has to be by Thursday. Simply because most of us don't want to work online on the weekend, right? So let's get it done hopefully Monday through Friday, but you have those weekend days as well. The 2 assignments we have this week, I think I have it by Wednesday, we are turning in Counting the Vowels. This is an activity in chapter 3 of our textbooks, and I think it's going to be really eye-opening. It's a fantastic look at how we memorize and how we study and how we learn. So this is something you can use in all of your future courses. And then we're turning in a semester calendar. So we only have 7 weeks left of the semester. What are you going to do every single week in the next 7 weeks in order to be a successful student? That doesn't mean just schoolwork. That means maybe you have a doctor's appointment. Maybe you're doing some event with your family. I know we're all kind of in isolation, so we're not really going out of town, but I do want to see your personal and academic responsibilities. So I'll show you an example in a minute. When I click on next, I see that discussion area. Notice there's 2 parts here. I want to get to know you first, and then you're going to talk about our book, chapter 1. And you can see I already posted my part. You can reply to me, but if you just click reply up here, that's how you make your initial post. So initial post must be made by Thursday, and peer responses must be by Sunday. Everybody's got that, right? All right, so click on next, and you'll see our assignments. So again, chapter 3, Counting the Vowels. You'll go ahead and submit it right here. And the semester calendar, there we go. So I have a full semester here, the 16 weeks. You guys can start at, I think we're in week 9. So go ahead and start with week 9 and fill out the things that you have planned to do, especially big projects like essays, midterms, final exams, etc. All right, so that's our week in a nutshell. Hopefully that makes sense. If you need any help kind of with the online environment, let me know. And of course, with your other courses as well, because that's kind of what I do. All right, guys, good luck, and I will see you online.